Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change email on Uber Eats. To change your email address on Uber Eats, first of all, make sure to open your Uber Eats app and log into your Uber Eats account by entering your credentials. Once you're signed into Uber Eats, click on the account button at the bottom right hand corner. Once you do that, from the profile page, tap on the Manage Uber Account option. Under Account Info, tap on your email associated with Uber Eats. Erase your current email on the screen and type in the new email you'd like to change to. After you are done, click on Done and Update. Now enter the 4 digits code that you receive on your email address. Open up the email inbox and open the email that you received from Uber. Copy the 4 digits long code from your email and then get back to the app, paste it inside the text box to verify your email address, and you will be able to change your email address on Uber Eats. So that's how simple and straight it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.